What do we have here? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get drunk tonight. Where's the room? All right. Yeah. What the? What's going on? Don't. Really? No, don't. Something has to give. No. No, it's alright. It's alright. No, it's alright. That's it. Really? How the hell am I supposed to get drunk over here? How the hell am I supposed to drink? I can't take this no more. Oh God. There's no alcohol at the bar. Oh God. Oh God. Really? Empty fucking Coronas? Really? You gotta recycle. You know what? As of today, I will not drink anymore. Because today, there's no liquor in the liquor bottle. Oh. But tomorrow there will be liquor. Because candy is dandy, but liquor is quicker. I wish I had a magic wand. We can play a game and zap the liquor up in the bottle. Just zap, zap, zap all day in the bottle. Oh, I'm getting crazy because there's no liquor in the liquor. I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 10. Woosah. Woosah. I'm gonna calm my ass down. Cause in your ass, it's gonna get fucked up. Because you don't have no liquor in your liquor bottle. Who has a bar? Who has a bar with no liquor in it? What kind of a shit establishment is this? You know what? I am done. I will not drink no more. I will not allow. Today is not an alcohol day because there's no damn liquor in the alcohol liquor bottle. I'm gonna play a game. A game that only I will win. Bye bye now.